And then I think you stopped.
Okay.
It's Mrs. Forrest here to show you my new favorite thing. It's called the original. You can't be in the video.
I was like, ah.
Somebody has to.
You better not do that again. Okay. 3, 2.
Mrs. Forrest here to show you my new favorite thing. Maybe you know what it is, maybe you don't. This is called the Original Back Knobber. I don't know who makes it, but my massage therapist cousin recommended it because it's really awesome, and I'll show you why. This is a 19-inch regular. You put it over your shoulder, find the spot that's bothering you in your back, which in my case is right here, and then use the front of it to kind of steer it and manipulate it. Give yourself a little, get those spots, those tight to reach spots that other people can't reach for you. I take mine to work. This has really, really helped me because I'm not getting paid for a review or anything like that. I just wanted to tell you because it really is helping me. It takes away, my back just bothers me sometimes during the day, and this lets me get back to work. Just give it a little bit of work over and then it's done. So I bought mine on, I don't know, I think Amazon.com or something like that, but you should check it out if you know anybody that has a little spot in their back that they want to work. This is a little end, and then this has a smaller end. This is the original, I'm sorry, bigger. This is the original back knobber, and it's made of, I think, iron or steel or something like that. Yeah, I've seen them in plastic. That ringing that you hear is Milo or Steve wanting to go outside. So with that, I'm going to go take care of that.